You know, like I have 3 kids. So
That's your family, correct? And your wife's beautiful.
thank you so much.
I know your family. I go, who do you fucking
Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. We can do
You know we're Boston people, right? We're crazy.
It's a good
You
look.
like that, right?
First of all, you know, like we fell in love in Boston because you know it looks like Kiev, like capital of
You
Ukraine.
and your wife fell in love with
You're
each
from
other?
Russia.
Get out of here.
Yeah.
Is that why you picked us? Because it's our 1-year wedding
No,
anniversary.
You're from Russia.
I'm from Ukraine. Originally, look, this is my story. Originally, I was born in Soviet Union. Yeah, this was the original country. Then I was living in Ukraine. Then I was living in, you know, like doing business in Moscow. Yeah. Then I was like studying in Hong Kong. Then Thailand because I was practicing there, and then it was Santa Monica, California.
All the way out West Coast.
Yeah, and then you know, like
That's
we.
a different whole world.
Oh, then you came to Boston met your wife.
No, but West
Yeah,
Coast-
we
West
recently
Coast is a
we
whole
went to Boston because you know like I'm really big fan of good education. So like Boston, that's the place to have the great education. Book your unique vacation to Punta Cana. Click the link below.